Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be playing some Subway Surfers. Sorry it loads really slow. Now here's where I put my month and my year I was born, but it's not actually true because I would not ever put my business out there like that. And this is where we get started. So, I just downloaded this, so I'm obviously going to go through the tutorial. Anyways, I'm going to ask you guys some questions. Down in the comments if you guys are going to the Super Bowl. So, yeah. Go to the Super Bowl. So I'm not. Don't want to go. I'll watch it, but I don't want to go. And leave down in the comments if you what's your favorite game. And I want you guys to, do a what's your, a Q&A for me so I can, answer some of your questions and know that you guys watch my videos. So, yeah. And get this video to, 1,000, well, not 1,000 views, 100 views, 20 likes, and 6 comments, and I'll do another oh man, my phone acting. Come on, phone. Hold on, guys. Well, you look at that. New high score. But yeah. Sorry, guys. I'm not controlling my controls. I promise I wasn't controlling anything. Sorry guys, but the video ends short right here because my phone's acting up. But anyways, like and subscribe.